What's up guys, welcome back to another video out here in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Whitewater Center. Just putting on the last of my gear here. Beautiful sunny day, and today we're going to be practicing Tailees, aka stern squirts. Hopefully it's not too frustrating, but there's going to be some challenges out there today, so should be fun. Hopefully by the end of the day gotten a lot better at them, but yeah, let's go head down to the water. And just like that, we're out here on the water. Gonna get a quick stretch in, a few warm-up laps, and then gonna get to practicing those stern squirts and tailies and go from there. Alright, over here on the instructional side now, got a pretty good warm-up in. Chose this because it's got a really good eddy line, and on both sides the eddies kind of recirculate, so I should be able to get a lot of reps really quick. Hopefully they're quality reps. As far as things to remember, just got to remember to drop that upstream edge, which is, you know, goes against everything that you're kind of taught, and try to take that good backstroke once I kind of cross that eddy line. So hopefully this goes well, and at the end of the day we're able to stern squirt. Got a few decent reps in. A few of them I felt really good about. Some of them I felt just okay with, and other ones just yeah, just got to work on dropping that edge some more, I think. I think I'm not dropping it enough. Just try to get really deep on that backstroke. I feel like sometimes I'm a little more shallow than I should be. So I'm gonna drain the boat here and get right back to it. So that's a good one to end on. Happy to at least got like a legitimate tailie in there to end it. I've been out here an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes doing nothing but stern squirt practice, so I am absolutely exhausted. But that's a good one to end on. Probably going to have to come back out here another day, maybe recruit someone to show me some pointers, help me out a little bit. Hopefully next time we'll be able to get it. Today kind of went how I figured it would. A couple good reps, a couple not so good ones. Yeah, get a few chill laps out here on the center, and I think then we'll call it a day. See ya.